To determine the appropriate size of a standby generator for a single-family residence, we must consider several factors, including the essential loads that need to be powered during an outage and the surge factor associated with motor starting. Firstly, let's identify the essential loads in the home. Based on the information provided, these include a gas stove or oven, a water heater, a furnace, a dryer, the air conditioning unit, and essential lighting. We can estimate the power consumption of each of these appliances. The gas stove or oven typically consumes between 10 and 15 kilowatts. The water heater consumes between 4 and 6 kilowatts. The furnace consumes between 10 and 20 kilowatts. The dryer consumes between 3 and 5 kilowatts. The air conditioning unit consumes between 3 and 5 kilowatts. And essential lighting consumes approximately 1 kilowatt. Adding these individual loads together, we arrive at a total essential load ranging from 25 to 46 kilowatts. Secondly, we need to account for the surge factor. The surge factor is the temporary increase in power required when motors start up. This is especially important to consider for appliances like the air conditioning unit, the furnace, and potentially the water heater if it's an electric model. Generally, a surge factor of 1.5 is used for motors. This means that the initial power draw can be 1.5 times the running wattage. To calculate the estimated running load, we multiply the essential load by the surge factor. Thirdly, the standby generator size should be at least equal to the estimated running load. This ensures that the generator can handle the normal operation of all essential appliances without being overloaded. Now, let's evaluate the generator options provided. A 7.5 kilowatt generator is not sufficient for the estimated essential load of 25 to 46 kilowatts. A 15 kilowatt generator is sufficient for the lower end of the essential loads but may not provide enough capacity to handle the surge factor of all appliances simultaneously. A 20 kilowatt generator provides some surge capacity and would be the most reliable option to handle all essential loads with the surge factor. Considering the existing load and potential surge factors, a 15 kilowatt standby generator is recommended for the single-family residence. It will provide adequate power for essential appliances, lighting, and a small surge capacity.